Hi, I'm Catherine from Organized by Catherine. I help women organize their homes for stress-free living. Today, I'm going to be testing out these True Earth laundry strips. They claim that one little strip is going to replace my Tide Pods and that these wool balls are going to replace my fabric softener. Let's test it out. So here's what arrived in the mail. I wanted you to see the packaging because there was minimal. So I was impressed with that. These are the laundry detergent strips. So I ordered a pack of 32, scent free. And these are the dryer balls. They come in this reusable cotton bag. There's 4 of them. And that's, I guess that's a storage bag. So far I'm pretty impressed with the amount of packaging because it was minimal and this is what I get to keep. So minimal packaging, I'm impressed. So it says on the packaging that it is for front loaders and it's also for top loaders, so whatever type of laundry machine you have. It says to separate the strips. So the strip feels smooth on one side and it feels a little rough on the other. It says use 1 per load. So I'm going to try 1. It says use 2 if your clothes are very dirty, but I would say not very dirty. So I'm just going to tear it up according to the instructions, and we're going to put the little torn pieces in where I normally put the Tide Pod. And there goes. And that's all. Okay. So the laundry's done. Let's see how the little strip did. Looks clean. Smells clean. Looks clean. Looks clean. Smells clean. So I would say the 1 strip did it. Okay, now we're going to try the drying balls. These are wool balls, and they claim that you don't have to use dryer sheets, fabric softener, and it will cut down on your drying time. So let's check it out. Putting in 4. So the drying's done. We're just going to see if it has no static now. Here's one of the balls. No static. Yay, it worked. If you need help organizing your home, please give me a call, Catherine at organizedbycatherine.ca.